Hi all. See this, in this particular problem, it's appeared in JEE 2008 paper, okay, so little older paper, okay. Now see that, in this particular problem it says that we are having a vector A and B and we are having another vector OP that can be written as in the form of A cos t and B sin t, okay, that's it, okay. So that's the problem. So first we write down that vector OP, right, that's the given condition. So it says that the vector OP is equal to A cos t plus, let's convert it, B cap sin t. This A I changes to cap because generally in this problem it is mentioned at cap, but otherwise it's not that recurred, okay. If we want to understand that, that's okay. So cap means that it is a unit vector, okay, so that's it. So it's given that A cap and B cap are unit vector. Now as they are unit vectors, right, so therefore their mod will be 1. So that's the important condition or the given condition, right, that's it. So this is done, okay. So A cap and B cap we calculate and we can say it's 1. So this is the condition. Now say that the point P is varies with the time t, okay. Now it says when OP will be maximum, that means that it says P is the furthest point. So P furthest means that the distance from O towards the point P, that means the mod of OP will be maximum, right? So therefore we'll say that while the point P is furthermost point, then mod of OP will be maximum. So now let us go ahead and try to calculate what is mod of OP. Now how we calculate mod of OP? We can't say that it's actually equal to cos squared t plus sin squared t. No, that we can't say. Why? Because the definition of calculating the mod, whatever we learned, that's actually defined on IG and if they are in coplanar and all that stuff and everything, right? But see that in this particular problem, nothing is mentioned about A and B, that they are only known collinear. So what's the properties? They are perpendicular or not? We don't know anything, right? So that's why we cannot say that the mod of OP is equal to cos squared t plus sin squared t, okay? We can't say that. So therefore to calculate that thing, we have to use the dot product. So therefore we'll find that OP mod square is actually equal to the vector OP dot product of the vector OP again. So that gives me that A cap cos t plus B cap sin t dot product of the same vector, right? So A cap cos t, I just wrote it again, plus B cap sin t. Now we have to apply the dot product to get that. So therefore we'll get it as A dot A, that gives you that mod A cap whole square into cos square t. Then A dot B sin cos t sin t, B dot A sin t cos t. So therefore we can find it as 2 A cap dot B cap cos t sin t plus mod of B cap square into sin square t. That's it. Now say that already we find mod of A square is equal to 1. So we'll have that as cos square t plus A dot B, like A cap dot B cap sin 2t plus sin square t. Now cos square t and sin square t gives you 1. So therefore 1 plus A cap dot B cap sin 2t. So therefore we can say that the modulus or the absolute value of OP is given by 1 plus A cap dot B cap sin 2t. That's it. Now we need to find out the value of, right, the maximum value of that mod OP, right, and that is defined as m in this problem, right. So now see that, okay, that when this function is maximum, see that the sine function will be maximum if sine 2t is maximum, right, and when sine 2t is maximum, sine 2t is maximum value is 1, right. So we'll say that for max OP, that means the modulus of P actually, sine 2t, it's definitely equal to 1. That's imply that 2t is equal to pi by 2, and that's imply that t is equal to pi by 4. Okay, that's it. So when t is equal to pi by 4, so then the point is that furthermore. So therefore, the maximum value m here is equal to the max value of the mod OP. That's equal to square root of 1 plus a dot p. That's it. So this is the required value for this problem. That's it. Now, also it says that whenever we find the maximum value, right, so then maximum value means t equal to pi by 4. So let's take that condition. So we'll say that for t is equal to pi by 4, right, the vector OP is equal to, let's substitute at t is equal to pi by 4. So therefore it's cos pi by 4 plus b and sine pi by 4. So therefore when we substitute these values, we'll get that value as 1 by root 2 a cap plus b cap. That's it. Now it says that the vector u cap is a unit vector along OP when it's maximum, right? So basically we need to find the unit vector along this vector, right? So therefore you can say that the unit vector now, that u cap is equal to mod of OP, OP by mod of OP, right? Yes. So therefore it's OP by mod of OP. So now basically it will be calculated at t is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So therefore you can say that if I take the mod, we'll find that it is a cap plus b cap divided by a cap plus b cap and mod. So that's the unit vector u cap. That's it. So these are the two options. So based on the option, you can see that in this particular case, the option A is the correct choice. So let's understand the problem. Maybe if you're visualizing this in a small screen and all, maybe that options are very small, but you can go through any books and all that so you can find out the options, right? So all other remaining option is just playing with that A, B and all that stuff. So those are wrong. So only the option A satisfy these two conditions, and that's why problem option A is the right choice for this particular problem. And that's it. Only the condition, only the tricks here, everything is very straightforward, is that in this case calculating that mod of OP, right? So generally we face that, okay, we are having some vectors and cos t sin t, so it will be 1, so the problem will be maybe changed, okay? And so remember that we can apply the similar kind of definition that, okay, that ijk and all that, that we have to square the components, right? It is only possible if the vectors, right, ijk, maybe a, b, c, those can be removed and take the component and square. That can be applied only when the vectors, right, in this case a, b and all, that are perpendicular. If they are mutually perpendicular, then only the condition works. Otherwise, you have to take the dot product to calculate the mod, okay? That's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.